Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys pin lock setting in our Samsung phone. In this video guys we will talk about guys how to set pin lock in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys if you need my channel so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all open your phone setting to set your pattern lock. Oh sorry friends, pin lock, sorry. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys here screen lock, kite tap here screen lock type, guys click on your pin setting. So as you can see guys, remember this pin, if you forget it you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So I don't forget your pin and guys be careful here guys, don't do any mistake. 1 2 3 4 I will take guys this one pin. So as you can see guys, there is no any option to check our pin. So I don't do any mistake guys. Be careful. 1 2 3 4. Next. So as you can see guys, pin lock has set it guys. Now let's see. So friends, you can see guys, 1 2 3 4. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pattern lock and guys how can you use your pattern lock in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.